Hazrat Saeed bin Ofair, Layth, Abdul Rahman bin Khalid, Ibn Shihab, Ali bin Hussein was informed by Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife. It is reported from Ali bin Hussein with another authority. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the mosque and his wife was along with him. When she intended to go, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Safiya, "Do not look sharp, I also go along with you," and her chamber was in Hazrat Usama's house. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out along with her, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam met two men of the Ansar. They saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and overdistanced him. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, "Come here. This is Safiya bint Huyay." Both of them said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The Satan circulates in human body as blood circulates, so I feared lest it should inspire evil design in your hearts." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2038.